Did you know that some Sony TVs have hidden gaming modes that can reduce input lag to as low as 7 milliseconds? That's faster than the blink of an eye. Gaming modes on Sony TVs are designed to enhance your gameplay experience, but what makes them so special? Many gamers aren't aware of these secret features, and that's what we're about to dive into. We'll explore how these modes can improve your gaming performance and visuals. The goal is to see how these modes can give you a competitive edge. We'll be testing these features in real-time gameplay scenarios, and I'm excited to share my findings with you. From reduced input lag to improved visuals, we'll cover it all. I'll be putting these gaming modes to the test, switching between them and observing the differences. My reactions will be raw and honest, giving you a true sense of what to expect. As I dive into the first gaming mode, I notice a significant reduction in input lag. The visuals appear sharper, and my controller feels more responsive. It's like a whole new world of gaming. The first mode I try is the game mode. It seems to be the most basic of the bunch, but it's still an improvement over the standard picture settings. I'm curious to see how the other modes compare. Next up is the graphics mode. This one seems to prioritize visuals over performance. The graphics look stunning, but I notice a slight increase in input lag. The performance mode, on the other hand, seems to prioritize speed over visuals. The input lag is almost non-existent, but the graphics take a slight hit. As I continue to switch between modes, I start to notice a pattern. Each mode has its strengths and weaknesses, and it's up to me to find the perfect balance. But it's not all smooth sailing. I encounter some technical issues while trying to access one of the modes. It seems that not all modes are created equal, and some might require a bit more tinkering. Despite the challenges, I'm determined to find the best mode for gaming. I spend some time tweaking the settings, and eventually, I find a mode that works perfectly for me. With the modes tested, it's time to put them to the ultimate test, a competitive match. I'll be playing against a tough opponent, and the stakes are high. The match begins, and I'm immediately struck by the responsiveness of my controller. The graphics look amazing, and I feel like I'm right in the action. My opponent is tough, but I'm confident in my abilities. The gaming mode I'm using seems to be giving me an edge, and I'm able to make some incredible plays. But my opponent isn't going down without a fight. They push back, and we're neck and neck. It's an intense match, and I'm on the edge of my seat. The crowd is cheering, and I'm completely in the zone. This is what gaming is all about, the thrill of competition, the rush of adrenaline. As I reflect on my experience with Sony TV's gaming modes, I have to say, they're a game changer. Each mode has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all offer something unique. The game mode is great for casual gamers, while the graphics mode is perfect for those who prioritize visuals. The performance mode, on the other hand, is ideal for competitive gamers. If you're a gamer looking to take your gameplay to the next level, I highly recommend checking out these secret gaming modes on Sony TVs. If you've had any experiences with Sony TV gaming modes, I'd love to hear about them. Share your stories in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your gaming setup. Thanks for watching.